Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Welcome to 6th standard English class. Today we are going to see second unit. The heading of the lesson is How the Dog Found Himself a Master. The heading of the lesson is How the Dog Found Himself a Master. In this lesson, we talk about how the dog became a tame animal. How the dog became a tame animal. Do you know who is man's most faithful, loyal, and best friend? Yes, it is a dog. And how the dog become man's best friend? Let's find out in this lesson. The character of this lesson is dog, wolf, bear, lion, and human. Now let's see the story how the dog found himself a new master. Once upon a time, the dog used to be their own master. They used level freedom like wolf until a dog was born who was ill pleased. Ill pleased means unhappy. The dog unhappy with the way of his life. He was sick and tired of wandering about himself. That means he was sick and he was tired and he was unhappy. Looking after himself and looking for food and be frightened. That means being scared by those animals who were stronger than him. Who was stronger than him. So he thought about it and he decided that the best thing for him to do is that the become someone servant. That becomes someone servant. Someone who is to be strongest than the earth. Someone who is to be strongest than the earth. So what did he do? He set out to find such a master. He started his journey to find such a master who was strongest than the earth. Who was strongest than the earth. So that he could be protected, he does not have to look for food and all. So the dog, what did he do? He walked and he met a kinsman. He walked and he met a kinsman. Kinsman means relatives. Kinsman means relative. So who was his relative? Do you know? Who was his relative? It was a big wolf. It was a big wolf. Do you know wolf? Yes. Dogs and wolf, you must have noticed they look similar. They look similar because they are from same family. Because they are from same family. So this wolf, he very strong and very fierce. Fierce means frightening. He is very frightening appearance. He was look like a very frightening appearance. So this wolf asked the dog, "Where are you going, dog?" So this wolf asked the dog, "Where are you going?" The dog told him, "I'm walking for someone to take up service." Take up service. It means to become someone's servant. Would you like to be my master? And Wolf agreed at once. Wolf agreed at once. He said, "Why not?" And two of them went together and they walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose. Sniffed means smelled animals. Sniffed means smelled animals. Have this habit of lifting their nose and smelling when they see danger around. Danger around. Listen carefully. Sudden the wolf lifted his nose. Sudden the wolf lifted his nose. Sniffed. Sniffed means smelled animals have this habit of lifting their nose and smelling when they see danger around. When they see danger around. So this wolf sniffed, darted. Darted means move very quickly. Darted means move very quickly. He quickly moved backward. He ran into the bushes. Bushes means grass. Bushes means grass. He went inside the forest. Dog was surprised for this behavior. Dog was surprised of this behavior. Now the dog saw that the bear was stronger than the wolf. Bear was stronger than the wolf. Wolf was scared of bear. So since he wanted to be servant to the strongest animal, so he left the wolf. The dog left the wolf at once and he took up service with the bear. He asked the took up service with the bear. He asked the bear, "Can you be the master?" And the bear agreed at once. Now the bear said, "Let's go and find a herd of cows. Herd of cows. Let's see. I will kill one cow and then we both will eat to full." Eat to full. The bear said, "Let's go and find a herd of cows. Let's see. I will kill one cow and then we both will eat to full." So they walked. Soon they saw a herd of cows. But just when they were about to attack them, they stopped because a terrible noise heard. A terrible noise. Terrible noise means horrible noise. And the cows were also moving, making noise. They were making loudly noise and they were running here and there, panning. Panning means fear. Panning means fear. He running in all direction. Now the bear who was hiding behind a tree. He was also run away hastily. Hastily means in a hurry. He also ran away deep into the forest. What has happened? What has happened? Why did have to now the bear said come here? It is the place where line the rules. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in this part. Who rules the forest in this part? It is the part of the forest where there is lion. Now the dog asked, "Who is the lion?" The bear said, "Don't you know? He is the strongest animal on the earth." And the dog again said, "Okay, well done. I will say goodbye to you, bear." The dog again said what he said. "Okay, well done. I will say goodbye to you, bear." They use love. And the dog left the bear and he went to the lion to ask him to become his master. Lion also agreed, and now the dog stayed with lion and served him for a long time. And dog was living very good life with his lion because the lion was strongest beast in the forest and nobody dared to touch or offer until he was with the lion. So there was food life, there was a good life, and there was no complaint as long as he was living with the lion. But one day what happened? Two of them, they were walking side by side. Who? The dog and the lion going to the bare cliffs. Cliffs means high road. All of sudden, lion stopped and he rode, struck the ground, patted the ground in a anchor, patted the ground in a anchor. He scratched the ground with his paws with such force that a hole formed. That means something was bothering of lion. Lion he began to come. He came back quietly. The dog was surprised again. He agreed, "What is it, master? Is there anything wrong?" And the lion told, "Smell a man coming this way." Lion said, "That I can smell a man coming this way, and we should run away. Otherwise, we will be in trouble." Now the dog saw that his lion was also scared of someone, and he said goodbye to the master. How the dog, goodbye the lion, usual, and who was a next master? Who was a next master? Now the dog, goodbye to lion as well, and who was a next master? Who was a next master? See last page. Now see next page. Now at last the dog went to lion. Now at last the dog went to join man and stayed with him and served with him faithfully. Now at last the dog went to join man and stayed with him and served with him faithfully. So this happened long time ago, but till now who is most faithful and loyal servant to man? It is a dog, isn't it? Who is most faithful and loyal servant to man? It is a dog. So man become dog's master forever. So who did he finally choose as his master? The man. Do you like this lesson? Do you enjoy this lesson? Yes. The theme of this story is leadership, loyalty, faithfulness. The moral of this story is great people do not follow others. Great people do not follow others. They lead and show way to others. One should be faithful to those who help them in need. One should be faithful to those who help them in need. Okay, read this lesson. Next class we will see the question answer. Thank you, students.